Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play Don't Stop Me Now by the great Queen. Alright, so let's start by putting a cape on 3rd fret, please. This song is an F, but I decided to do it in with a cape on 3rd fret. So on acoustic guitar, it kind of sits better, I think. So, okay, so let's go over the chords. So it's going to be like a D shape. That's the key for the song. And, okay, so we got D, 1, 2, 3. We got F sharp minor. Bar 2nd fret, 3rd finger, pinky. We got a B minor bar chord, 2nd fret, 3rd finger, pinky, and 2nd finger. E minor, 2nd, 3rd, and A7. Okay, and then we do have a D7. 1st finger, 2nd, 3rd, and we got a G. Alright, I think that's all the chords we need. So let's go over the intro when it's, you know, the slow part. D major, F sharp minor, B minor, E minor, A7, D, D7, G, E minor. Oh yeah, we got a B7 there. You can play B7 like this. 1st, 2nd, 3rd. And then the song kicks in when we go E minor. That's E minor, D, A, E. Alright, let's do the intro one more time. D major, F sharp, B minor, E minor, A7, D major 7, G, E minor, B7, and then so the intro is part of the verse, so it's nothing new, it's just that's coming back. Okay, so the hits: E, D, A, E, E, D, A, E, A7, and then now we're gonna strum the same chords as we did for the intro. So D major, F sharp, B minor, E minor, A7. Again, D major, B minor, E minor, A7, D, D7, G, E minor, B7, B7. That's 2 times there, and now we got a new part. That's E minor. And we're gonna go up and play chromatic. From E minor, just grab 2, 3, 4, and then end on A. Okay, and then we have the chorus. Alright, so let's play the verse up until there, starting with the intro. A7, G major, E minor, B7, and then we got the hits. E minor, G, A, E, D, A7, and then we start strumming. Same chords as the intro. Not chromatic. Okay, that's where we stopped earlier. So let's see, yeah, so from the E minor it's the B7 two times. And then the chorus is D, E minor, and grab this note, second note on the E string. And then we have B minor, E minor, and A. Second time, after we go back to the E minor there, we're gonna hit the B7 instead of B minor. And then E minor, and then it ends with E, D, A, E, A, and G. It's a lot of chords, a lot of movements in the song. But okay, let's start not from the very top. We got that. Let's do it from when the band kicks in, okay? And do a little slower so you can play along. 1, 2, 3, E minor. And write down the chords so you can remember it. E minor, A7. Minor, A7, D major becomes D7, chromatic, chorus, E minor, A7. Back to verse. D major becomes D7, G major, B7, second time after B7, it's back to E, yeah. That's where we go. And this is where they actually break with the drums. And then the guitar solo, that's over the verse chords. Alright, so a lot of chords happening, so let's break it down one more time. We got the intro. Intro is almost the same as the verse. And then I go to D7 there. And that's where the band kicks in, where they do the hits. got that, and then we got the verses. We got 2 verses. D, F sharp, B minor, E minor, A7. And now it's a new part. We go to D7. Let's call this pre-chorus. G minor, E minor, B7, E minor, and that's when we do the chromatic, and that's gonna take us into the chorus. Again. This time back to B7. Ends with that and those hits. Alright, let's play it through one more time. Pre-chorus. Chorus. Again. This time we go back to B. Right? And then A. Cool, there it is. Whoosh. My brain started cooking. There you go, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Don't stop being a queen. I'll see you tomorrow with more cool songs. Be safe.